this is a fiberglass tub. Doesn't that edge look nice and clean? Well, they had some caulking, and they did a pretty good job. They got some caulking about the same color as the grout, but it's cracked over time. I cleaned it all out. I'm glad it was caulking and not grout, because I cleaned it out with a nice little putty knife, razor blade. I got the razor blade nice and clean so that there's no little edge where the caulking was, and took my crummy little paintbrush. I use this thing for all kinds of stuff. I just use it to do some paint touch-up. Look at that, it's a throwaway paintbrush. I use it as a little broom. Got that all cleaned up, and now I'm ready to install the caulking. And what kind of caulking am I using? The same stuff that I used around that sink downstairs. Here, this is what I'm using, DAP Quick Seal Ultra, and it's gloss white. It's for kitchen, bath, and plumbing. It's advanced siliconized sealant, repels water, soap, scum, stains, and dirt, 100% waterproof and crack proof. It says it's crack proof. We'll see. Sealant stays looking clean, fresh, and new. That's what I like about this stuff. It's silicone. It's not designed to be painted over, so when you put it on, you got to put it on nice and clean and get the excess off. And I've got a small little tip, and I wanted to do it today. After you use your caulking, if you got half a tube left and you got a small little tip, good luck 6 months from now